Lovely people, I'm going to wade into controversial territory. The secret to a perfect potato salad is 3 words. Hold the mayo. Let's first analyze what mayo is trying to achieve. Creamy consistency and amalgamation. It's trying to bring everything together like a glue. Well, sure, it's doing exactly that in the blandest possible way. It's basically whitewashing it in one note of flavor. Mayonnaise. I say potatoes are better than that. I say they bring their own creaminess if given half the chance. I say potatoes are way more flavorful when they're not smothered in glue. All they need is a little help from a sidekick. Move over mayo, say hello to mustard. The secret to a perfect potato salad is adding a homemade mustard dressing directly to the potatoes while they're still warm after they're cooked. If you cook the potatoes correctly, then little bits will fall off into the dressing, creating that creamy consistency that mayo achieves, but with a deeper complexity of flavor and without the gloppy gloop. So let's get to it. For the salad itself, we'll use 2 pounds of any small, thin-skinned potato, cut into even chunks. I like to leave the peel on for those added nutrients. 6 hard-boiled eggs, quartered. Those yolks are going to break down a little as the salad gets mixed, creating extra richness and creaminess to the salad. And if you overcook your eggs like I did, it doesn't matter, the dressing will hydrate those yolks. We'll also use a 1/3 cup of capers for a delicate dash of brine, and 1/2 cup of minced up chives. And that's it. Easy peasy, mustard squeezy. Now for the dressing. You'll need a 1/4 cup of Dijon or whole grain mustard, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup of olive oil or your preferred vegetable oil, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these all together in a bowl big enough to serve the finished salad. Bring a big pot of salted water to a boil and carefully add in the potatoes. Cook them until they're fork tender, but before they start to fall apart. Drain them, and while they're still hot, add them right into the bowl with the dressing and mix it to evenly coat. Add the eggs, the capers, and the chives, and give it another mix. Check out how the potatoes themselves and the egg yolks are enriching the dressing. Now, this is seriously creamy potato salad, and it tastes just like it should. Potato. It's basically potato living its best life. This is just the first of 3 ultimate summer salad recipes I'm sharing with you exclusively here on True Food TV. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. In the meantime, go find out how potatoes grow. I promise you, you have never seen a potato fruit. That's right, potato fruit, but you'll want to.